were here for the first edition. When it first kicked off a few years ago, we were thankful to be able to come back and present even during the pandemic. The turnout, it was a better turnout than what we expected, given that the pandemic has been still in full force. Having to wear all the masks and all that, but it's been a very good turnout. Networking, so getting to meet a lot more vendors, some of the clients, other clients that we've been trying to establish relationships with. It's worked out for us. So we've been able to get a lot of foot traffic to our booth and promote ourselves a lot more. But 2022, 2023, we're going to see an uptick in work, especially on our side of the business, a lot of the repair stuff. We're starting to get requests for vessels to be reactivated to get back into the oil and gas sector, which is good. So, we feel like 2022, 2023, we're going to see a lot more business, not only here in Mexico, but along the Gulf Coast and the United States as well, and even world.